What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that impact the price of this stock. And I will continue with my forecast and with the probable outcome for this company. So let's start with the price chart. I've told you on my previous video that we have several patterns that are extremely bullish, and let me show you them. First of all, we have 0.65, 0.618, the most probable level of trend reversal, and we hit this level, and this is a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top, and basically on a greater scale it is the third wave that lasts from the October 2018 till the October 2020. And this is very powerful level because statistically it is the most probable level of trend reversal. On top of that, we had this green line as our major trend line, and we had this line from February 2016 till present day, and we broke this line. And on top of that, we had this bullish falling wedge, and we also broke it to the downside, but usually this pattern breaks to the upside. So we have this unusual price action, and we broke it with a decent volume, as you can see, and this means we might hit lower levels. But first of all, let me show you why it is happening. Let's start with the company profile, and as all of you might know, Alibaba Group Holding, through its subsidiaries, provides online and mobile commerce businesses in the People's Republic of China and internationally. It operates through four segments: core commerce, cloud computing, digital media and entertainment, and innovation initiatives and others. And from the financial standpoint, this company is extremely stable. I have to say that they have enough cash, they have very good EBITDA, they have very good revenue and revenue growth as well. So nothing concerning with their financials. But the main downside of this company is that it is a Chinese company. And let me show you this news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on July 26th, and it's titled "Alibaba shares fall 7% amid Chinese government pressures." And let me quote you these bullets. Alibaba Group shares fell more than 7% Monday as the Chinese e-commerce kingpin felt the impact of new pressures that Beijing is putting upon some of the country's biggest tech companies. Over the weekend, the Wall Street Journal reported that Alibaba affiliate Ant Group is in talks about sharing its customer data with the Chinese government as part of a new credit scoring business. The journal said that under the arrangement, Ant Group's Alipay would give up some control of its data on individuals, and such information would then be easily available to multiple Chinese state-run enterprises. According to the journal, the new company could be up and running within a matter of months. Alibaba shares went into the red early Monday and finished at $191.76. The deal has implications for the privacy of more than 1 billion Chinese citizens who use Ant's Alipay for financial services such as borrowing money, paying bills and making everyday purchases. The Alibaba situation is one of the latest to highlight the role the Chinese government plays in many of its country's businesses' operations. Earlier this year, Chinese State Administration for Market Regulation levied a $2.75 billion fine on Alibaba for anti-monopoly violations. And I have to say that it is not the first day when we have this type of pressure on Chinese stocks, and it is not the last day, obviously. And in my opinion, this downside might drastically affect the price of this company, but only in a short term. And in the long run, this company still have very good financials, still have very good fundamental news. And in my opinion, this sell-off from this very bottom to our current price is only 4.4%. And despite that we broke all our bullish signs, we are still not so far from our lowest point that we had previously, about a week ago. And that's why, in my opinion, this is a still very good possibility for you to invest your money into this company. And in a minute I will show you one more point that we might have in order to remain bullish in all of our bullish patterns. But first of all, let me show you this. We are on Google, and if you type Chinese stocks right here on Google search, you can find a lot of news that have more negative sentiment for the Chinese stocks in general. And let me quote you just the titles. China stocks tumble in US, raise billions as crackdown deepens. China stocks tumble in panic selling amid broad crackdown. Offshore funds dump Chinese stocks as regulatory rampage rattles investors. Asia Pacific stocks edge higher. China tech stocks in Hong Kong remain under pressure. And so on and so forth. And definitely these news, they are also the reason why we have this sell-off and why we have this sell-off across all the Chinese companies. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, we are on daily time frame, and let me switch to weekly time frame. And what do we have here? Basically, we have the same situation. We have this candle that broke our level of 0.65 and that broke this bullish fallen wedge. But we still have 3 days and 18 hours to close this candle. And in case if we will move higher, and in case if we will make some positive momentum and we close this candle above the 0.65 level, above the price point of $196.79, this will indicate that this level remain as our major support, and it is very bullish because we will still have this pattern as our bullish pattern. We still have the 0.65 level as our support line, and the confluence level with this previous top of our first wave still be in play. So, and I have to say that with this company and with their financials and with their fundamentals, we might have some fluctuation during a couple of days, and on a weekly time frame we won't even see these fluctuations, and on a daily time frames of course we will have some fluctuations below the 0.65 level. But in my opinion, if we will go back inside this pattern, we still remain bullish and we still have a possibility to go up in the near future. But on the other hand, if we will break the level of around $190, we might see lower price points, and the next potential level for this ticker will be at 0.786, and the price point is around $170. And it is also a confluence level with this bottom, the bottom of the fourth wave retracement on a smaller scale, as you can see, and this might be also a trend reversal. But from this point we will see next bullish pattern in a matter of months, and that's why you have to be prepared for this outcome. So, in my opinion, we still have very good sell-off from the all-time highs to this point of around 40%, and we still have very good possibilities to go higher. And this means this company is still very attractive from the financial and fundamental standpoints, but you have to be cautious with their news from the government. And basically that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.